My name is Jack Winterson. I'm currently studying BTEC Level 3 Sport. We do things from rugby, football, to basketball, swimming, to skiing. It's just an endless amount. I felt like this given me the best opportunity while I wanted to stay close to my friends as well. It really allowed me to express myself within the course as I'd be able to enjoy my social life and enjoy my college life with the friends. The facilities we have are outstanding. We have obviously the use of the leisure centre. We have use of the 3G pitches. We use a gym up in town. And then we have different equipment such as the bikes, the segways. There's just such a wide variety of things we can do. I'd recommend it to anyone. Everything's really interesting. We're always having trips and different experiences. For example, a couple of weeks ago we went skiing, which is something we'd never get to do anywhere else. So it's just the experiences and opportunities that it gives us is amazing. Later on in the year, some of us are having the opportunity to go to Spain to coach some school children out there. After college, I'm going to go to university and hopefully study something along of sports science. So whether that's science in football or sport and exercise science, but eventually I want to go on to be a sports psychologist. I definitely recommend Coleg Gwent because it's the environment I think you don't get anywhere else. I think everyone here is so friendly and everyone is willing to help each other.